Good afternoon and welcome. It's Jilly Cube on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland on a very wet, stormy day. So what's the best thing to do on one of those days? I find myself asking, and it was to come into my art room, and I've been doing some experimenting and I've been doing some odds, bits and bobs in here. So I've mixed up some paints today and I'm going to do a blowout again. I'm going to do probably a double blowout of some description, but I just fancied doing the base of a silver metallic. So I'm going to do this particular one in a silver metallic. Ooh, this is kind of like those papery cups, and you've got to use them. You can't store them because they just go to nothing really quickly. So I'm gonna see if I can blow that around. So thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for those that subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already done so, please consider it. So I'm just gonna blow this around the canvas first. That will do for now. That will do for now. I will finish off my edges. I'm not too worried about those. So I haven't done something with a whole metallic for a long time. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to kind of do the sort of an L shape in this, like a I was considering taping off the canvas, but in the end it doesn't really, to me it didn't really make much difference when I've tried that in the past, because you undo the tape and blow back all over it anyway. So where am I? Okay. So that particular first blue I put down was phthalo blue mixed with silver metallic. The second one was straight out phthalo blue. And that one is turquoise. Now this one is the, actually I might put this one down first, which is magenta. I'll sort of do a bit of a swirl there. So I want to kind of blow this one down, so I want a bit more magenta in here. And then this is the phthalo blue with the magenta, so it kind of creates a deeper purple. There we go. And I'm going to put a gold to top it off, which is just a metallic gold. So. Well, me doing these particular Dutch pour things, got me thing in it, are really trial and error. Like I really have a hard time getting my consistencies of the paint thin enough for this particular method, because I just seem to have this phobia about using really thin paints, that it's gonna alter the quality of the finished product. And But I mean, so many use thin paints to do this method that it must be all right, hey? So there you go. This is a bit of an odd one, but I had it in my head and I thought I must try it. Now I'm just hoping to goodness that my blow dryer doesn't blow it all over the studio. So bear with me, people, and we'll give this a go. I might try turning my dryer down. It's not going to work. Well, I did tell you that I wasn't going to have any negative space, didn't I? So I completely done the triple Dutch blowout. I triple Dutched it, meaning I blew it completely out, no negative space. But the colours are absolutely stunning, and the metallic in them has given that absolute sheeny shine. No, that's not going to work. I have to use my just looked a bit blobby there. Well, that's a complete triple Dutch blowout. I don't know where I'm getting all this lacing from, but it's pretty groovy, baby. Look at this. It looks pretty like turbulence under the ocean. I think I need a mermaid in here somewhere. But it is absolutely shimmering with the metallic in the silver and that phthalo blue that I added the silver metallic to. It really looks like an underwater turbulence. So out of the blue. I am not going to actually do anything further. It was a complete blowout over the canvas. These colours really sell well just like that where I am, because I'm close to the ocean. So all I will do for this particular one is go round and finish my edges, which is finger popping the edges with some colours that I have run off. It's not worrying about it trying to do anything perfect, but that's my triple Dutch blowout for today, and I'm really happy with those colours. So what do you think, guys? It's was a quickie. It was just on metallics, and I could try some balloon kissing, I suppose, but then no, I think I'm going to leave it exactly as it is. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I know that these colours sell really well. So thanks for joining me for another quick and exciting video, or maybe not, but I will be back again tomorrow, and I thank you so much for joining me. Please stay well. Yeah, do something that gives you joy. Create, that's what I say. Wait on for the photos at the end. Thank you. Bye for now.